This is my circuit for the RC oscillator working. When I press a button, the LED stays on. So this is the circuit diagram for the RC oscillator, and these are the components. So when the button is not pressed, it is giving out a low signal over here, and then when the inverter inverts it, it will be high. So this input will be high into the NAND gate, and because there's no power here, this input will be low. So then because it is a high and a low, the NAND gate will output a high signal, which will then be inverted twice by these two inverters, and then will go to the LED, and it will be a high signal. However, when that is all happening, the current will go through here all the way to here and charge the capacitor right here. And when it finishes charging, it will discharge the current over here. So then this will be high, a high signal. And because both of the inputs of the NAND gate are high, this will output a low signal, which will get inverted twice by these two inverters, and the LED will be low, so then it will not be on. And that is why the LED oscillates when the button is not pressed. And when the button is pressed, this will give off a high signal over here, which will be inverted into a low signal. So this leg will be low. And whenever at least one of the legs is low, and the NAND gate will always output a high signal because both of them will never be high. So then this will be a high signal. This will be inverted twice into a high signal into the LED. And then, so that is why when the button is pressed, the LED is always on. This is my circuit for the RGB LED. The three leads are connected to three different frequencies on the 4060 chip. So this is a 4060 frequency divider / counter. There are 16 pins on this chip. The 8th pin is connected to the ground. The 16th pin is connected to the power source. 12th pin is connected to a button if you want to reset it. The 11th and 10th are a resistor. The 9th is a capacitor. And these three are connected together if you want the chip to work. And the rest of the pins, if you connect them to LEDs, they will flash at different frequencies, as you can see on the numbers on the side. For the second part of this project, we're using the 7th, 5th, and 4th pin, which are the fastest three pins on this chip. That will make the red, green, and blue part of the LEDs flash at different frequencies. So this is my circuit for the multiple LEDs. It is, if you press this button, it will reset the thing. So how this works is that basically each group of LEDs are connected to a different frequency on the 4060 chip. So then they'll just oscillate at different frequencies. And it is just the same thing as the Christmas tree, which is just LEDs flashing different frequencies, except that the Christmas tree doesn't have this button.